everybody, today I'm going to be showing you a tour of our farm. So let's start off right here at the puppies. This is Daisy. Olive, come here. Olive, come here. And then this is Olive. We named Daisy after her mom, Rose. So we decided to keep the flowers going. And then we named Olive because when we got her, we were eating Olive pizza. So then we just named her Olive. So let's move on over. Okay, so here's my one chicken. She's a Rhode Island Red. And this is her egg that we got today. And this right here is called the comb. And then down here is called the wattle. They feel very weird. But she just sleeps right on top of our dog kennel over there. And she really likes it because she's safe from all the coyotes and stuff. So first we have Walter - Max. We always have two names for our pigs, kind of. And then we have Charlotte. She smells like maple syrup. We don't know why, but she just does.
It's because of her food.
Yeah, it's just because of her food when she grew up. So next, we're going to move on. So right here we have one of our heifers. My sister's going to take her to fair for a breeding heifer. A breeding heifer is when you take them to fair and they're pregnant. Okay, now I'll talk about a little about some of our calf names. So my sister took another one to fair for her first year, and her name was Cotton because she's white. And then she had a baby, and it was like her, so we named it Candy. So it's like cotton candy. And then another one that we have, her name is Bunny. She's one of our tamest cows, I think. And we named hers Corona because the virus that is going around. And then we had another one that we named it COVID for
COVID.
Yeah, COVID. So
COVID.
because what the virus going around. And then we just had another one.
Yesterday.
Yeah, yesterday. So maybe you want to tell us some names that we should maybe name her. She's a black Simmental calf. Okay, let's go see this baby over here. So this is the one that I want you guys to name. Her mama really does not like kids around her right now. Because when was she had her baby? Like 2 days ago, I think. And that's the one that you guys are gonna name. She just has like a little dot of white on her head.
Is it a boy or a girl?
It's a boy, which is sad. Okay, so these are just some of our babies. They're just licking the mineral tub. They really like that. It's good vitamins for them. Okay, so here we have little Smokey. We used to have a bigger cat that's named Smokey, so we decided to keep the Smokies going with her. I don't know if we can find all of our cats because some of them like to hide. Of course. And it's all muddy. But just last year we put this little cement slab down. Then we have a place to wash all of our calves because they were all getting all poopy. So we decided to add that.
And there we have a water right there.
Yeah, that was an old one that we fixed. And then, let's talk about this. So it rained, of course. It was like this. This is a mineral tub. That's 250 pounds. We usually get these basically all over the place. But this is what we use to feed them.
This one just has a cover over top of them, so yeah, show them what they look like without.
And then over here, the one that doesn't cover, you see that's the one that I just got again. And that one, they just lick it and I guess it's good for them. And then we're going to move on to some of the other babies.
Babies? What kind of babies?
Baby chicks. We have 2 different kinds of babies because we get them always different sizes. I'll talk about this while we're talking about baby chicks. So this is what we got yesterday. Basically when they get bigger, you put it out in your hayfield and then you on moving it. So then they fertilize all the hay.
What does fertilize mean?
Fertilize means
Wait, come over here and show and tell. Talk about it.
fertilize means when it's just like something that's good for the ground, and like Tyson always says, like when the worms poop, that's also fertilizer for gardens. Okay, so here we have one of the chicks. We do have heat lamps for him. We just took him out of the cage. And this is a meat bird, so he's actually going to be food. But we're going to wait for like a few months.
Wait till they get really big, about
Yeah.
a little bit bigger than the size of the other chicken.
Yeah, and about the size of a little smaller than a cat.
Yeah.
And so...
How much do they usually weigh when we?
Well, we kind of make them get really big. So sometimes like 6 to 8 pounds. Okay, so here we have our food that we give them. It's called Home Fresh, and we like this stuff a lot because it's good nutrients for when they're babies. It just
How much do you give them?
So for each feeder, we usually give them 2 scoops of like this rib cup that we have. And then about the water. Put it down, and then I just unscrew the top. And then I'll come over here to where our water is. It's kind of messy. And then I just turn this up. Sometimes it bubbles, so you have to do it over again. And I'll just come over here. And then I'll set it on this tractor that we just have here. And take the bottom of it and just flip this over. Sometimes there's water still a little left. And
What do you do?
okay, so we just cut back over here and you just flip it quick.
Oh.
Sometimes water comes flying out. And then you're gonna we have blocks because
These are the little bit bigger ones. They're older. We have them separated. Oh,
yeah,
jeez.
they're probably really thirsty. So then we come over to the feeders. How about? And then it just has like this long little thing with holes in it. And then they just peck it. Let's see if one will do it while we say it. No, he's scared of the camera. And he'll just do that. And then in our building over there, we just have 2,000 chickens. Well, the family before us just have it. So this is what you put the eggs in to do it. And we have like 30 of them because the family left us some that we could use. So then these heat lamps here, they just plug in at the bottom.
They're really hot.
Yeah, they're hot, so don't touch it. I would recommend not touching this. So they're really hot, and it just gives them some heat, especially these little guys. They need a lot of heat because they can get cold really easy. And I think these guys did. They will get in their water, and then they will get all wet, so then they need that to warm them back up.
Yep.
So then I'm gonna talk about these shavings. So these are our shavings that we use. They're really slick and smooth. You can get little ones where they're a lot thinner, but we just get these ones because we use them to like do a lot of things.
Yeah, we put them in the dog kennel so the dogs have a comfy spot, and we use them to bed cattle.
Yeah. Okay. So then, so I'll talk about a little bit about our farm. So, this is something that we get from the seed house in Albert Lee. So we get all of our gardening seeds and everything here, but we just get this treated sweet corn and I sell it. And then when the other corn.
Wait, do you sell the corn or the
So-
seeds?
I sell the corn and I not raise it. I plant it and grow it, and then I sell it. So yeah, and then the stuff that we go out in our cornfields around here, I sell that corn for squirrel corn, and we just sell it to them. It's like all dried out and stuff.
The squirrels like it a lot,
Yeah,
and so do
until
birds.
your pig gets out and then she eats it all. So like me and my sister, we'll spend like 3 hours out there picking a whole row of it.
Yep.
So how about we talk about the tractor? So we got this tractor about 2 years ago, and it's really nice for hauling all the bales and stuff. I'll come show you about our bales that we do. We have corn stalks and some hay bales. So we'll just come right over here. This is where our corn stalk bales are. This is that chicken building I was talking about.
It's this really long building.
Yeah, it goes all the way down there. So these are called corn stalk bales. So basically, after you get all of the corn combines, there's these little stalk stuff, the stalky stuff, and that's what we use to make these nice big bales. So then I don't know if my dad has any out right now, but we can walk over here and I'll show you. So this is our hay field. We can do like these small little bales, or we can do the big bales. Big bales
We wrap them in this long
yeah,
tube.
we wrap them in this plastic wrap.
It keeps them all fresh.
It keeps them fresh so that if they don't get all yucky, but they do sometimes get a little moldy, but it's fine. The cats will eat it and stuff. And this is where the dogs like to hang out because
Yep.
they love eating, and the cats, they love eating like the little mice that run around out here. So, and we like that because we don't want the mice to get trapped in the hay baler, and then it can like carry diseases and stuff, and that's not good for the cat. And so I don't know, there isn't really the tractor marks, but we just take this big tractor and we just like use it, and it just like pulls all the seeds up and stuff. So here's our wrap field. We don't and like our dogs will jump and stuff. We like it, and this wrap basically is just a white wrap that sucks it all in. Then we can come back over here, and so I like going out here for worms because where the bales used to be, it's all this hard stuff, and you just dig a hole, and then there's a lot of worms, and I go fishing with them because it's like excuse to get out of the house. And so me and my sister will just go fishing down there. There's a little bridge that we like going at. And so when we have our campfires and stuff, we go out there. And if you like, it's easier to rake up your lawn. So you like what I do to clean out all this, so then like the bales can be out there. I just rake up. Okay, so this is a straw bale.
This one we just use for decoration.
Yeah, we use it for decoration, but we also bed calves with it. So it's just like this little stick thing is basically what it is. And it's nice fall decoration and stuff. And right here we just have this spray painted flower and an S for our decoration. So hopefully you guys will go outside and maybe find some bugs and stuff and explore in the video. Bye!